Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are having a good day. Now in today's video, I want to share something special with you guys. Your girl got herself a Marc Jacobs tote, okay? I actually did a luxury wish list, and after going through a couple other items, I came across this bag and I just fell absolutely in love with this bag, and I decided to get it. My birthday's a couple months away and it's an early birthday gift for myself, so I decided why not do a review and an unboxing video and a review with you guys. So let's talk about the bag. Okay, so I ordered the bag, I think when I ordered the bag on Thursday. Actually, I ordered the bag on Wednesday, and guys, the bag is here. Like, it's Friday, the bag is here. So the first time I got this bag, it came through DHL. So the first time I saw the box, I was like, okay, it came in this box. And I opened the box, I was like, for a real expensive bag, it just came like this. Really, Marc? You did this? I don't know, like, maybe I ordered directly on the site. I didn't go on anything else, and it just came in the box like this. Like, and to me, the bag, even though I know it's a mini tote, it looked really big, but it looked really light as well. So yeah, the bag is very heavy. It's the real deal, you know. It's really heavy, it's sturdy, it's nice, it's giving Beyonce vibes. It's giving Beyonce vibes. It doesn't feel cheap. I got this for 180 pounds online. Like I said, on the site, the material is like, can you hear it? I wanted the beige, but then I was like, Jenny, even though you want the beige, we know you can't handle that color. So yeah, I just decided to get the black. Okay, so here we have our tag, which is gonna come off. It's just explaining like the information on it, the color, the style. It's black. We have a little information on the back as well. It says Marc Jacobs style, the tote bag, location New York City, year 1984. We have our zip here. I'm so happy that I got this. Okay, on the inside came the strap for the bag. You can either have it as, you know, a tan bag, or I can put the straps on it and make it a cross shoulder bag. Okay, now on the inside we have a little note. So this is inside the bag. It has the Marc Jacobs engraved. I don't know if you guys could see in the corner here. It has in the corner of here the Marc Jacobs engraved. There's no extra pockets inside. This is just inside of the tote. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. Guys, I am in love. I am in love. And then you can adjust it. You can adjust your straps here, shorter, however you like. And this is it. Like, I'm so happy I got the black. I really am happy that I got the black. I am happy that I got the mini as well, because it's just so cute. It literally can like fit anywhere. It can literally fit anywhere. It's not in the way. It can hold just the right amount inside of it. That's it. I just wanted to open my new brand bag with you guys. so you can get my first expression. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Get yourself a Marc Jacobs bag. Get that bag that you were considering. You know you need that bag. You can get it, you know. Anyway guys, like I said, thanks for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.